In this video, I'm going to explain how to solve an exponential equation. When you see an exponential equation, for example, if you are able to rewrite the exponential equation with the same base or a common base on either sides, then if the bases are same on both the sides, then you can make the exponents equal. That means if b to the power of m is equal to b to the power of n, then m must be equal to n. Here's a solved example right here. 32 is equal to 2 to the power of 3x minus 1. So 32 is actually a multiple of 2, so 32 is rewritten as 2 to the power of 5 and is equal to 2 to the power of 3x minus 1. Since bases are same, if you have a common base, 5 is made equal to 3x minus 1. Then solve for x. It is a simple equation and we can solve for x. Let's look at this example. So our goal before you solve an exponential equation is make a common base on either sides. 27 and 81, we know both these numbers are multiples of 3. So the 27 is nothing but 3 to the power of 3 times 4x minus 2. So you can see that 27 is 3 to the power of 3, and then 4x minus 2 is equal to 1 over 81 is 3 to the 4th power. So now let's make this 3 times 4, 12x, 3 times 2, 6, minus 6 actually, 3 to the power of negative 4. Since the bases are same, we can make the exponents equal. (12x minus 6 is equal to negative 4), and just do the math. 12x 2x is equal to 1/6. 2 over 12 is 1/6. Okay, second example right here. It is a cube root of 8 to the power of x plus 1 divided by 16 to the power of x, that is equal to 32. So first thing, we will rewrite both these, all the three bases into common base of 2, because we know 8, 16 and 32, but all three are multiples of 2. So we can rewrite it 2 to the power of 3, then x plus 1 divide 16 is 2 to the 4th power, which is 4x. Since it is a cube root, it is to the power of 1/3, and it is 2 to the power of 5. Okay, now we can expand and simplify, then apply the exponents, or 2 to the power of 3x plus 3, then this is a division, so it is a subtraction, minus 4x to the power of 1/3 is equal to 2 to the 5th power. Or you can rewrite this, 2 to the power of 3x minus 4x is negative x plus 3. There is actually one way to do this. Then we can take this 1/3 and move it to the other side, and that becomes 3. That flips. So this is exchanging the exponents, and that is going to be 2 to the power of the 3 goes over here, that becomes 15. Now we have a common base 2, and you can just equate the exponents, and that will give you negative x plus 3 equals 15. X is equal to 12. Sorry, negative 12. And that is going to be the answer for this question. Okay, so that is a 5 to the power of x squared. Then that is again multiply the power of power will be 2x, so that is actually minus 2x. We are actually subtracting the exponents because we are dividing the bases, and that is definitely equal to 5 cubed. 125 is 5 cubed. So when you equate the exponents, because the bases are same now, bx squared is 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Just factorize, then you get x is equal to 3, or x is equal to -1. Finally, we have a kind of complicated question here, so we need to do it very carefully. So we have 8, 4, 2, 4. All these are common bases 2, so there will be 2 to the third power, that is 2 to the 3x, and we know this is actually 2 squared, and since it is a cube root, it will be 1/3, so it will be the 2 to the power of 2/3. So actually cube root of 4 is nothing but 2 to the power of 2/3. Okay, then that is equal to 2 to the power of 7, and you know 1/4 is 1/2 squared, and when you move that up, that will be 2 to the power of -2. So times 2 to the power of -2 multiplied by x plus 3. So put everything together, so bases are same, so now we can just take all the exponents together and take care of the rest. That is going to be a 3x, because it is multiply the bases, add the exponents, so 3x plus 2/3, that is equal to 7 minus 2x minus 2 times 3 minus 6. Okay, do the math. So you will be able to, when you manipulate all the things in here, so it will be 3x plus 2x, that will be 5x, is going to be equal to 7 minus 7 minus 7 minus 6 is actually 1, so that's actually a 1 minus 2/3, or 5x is equal to 3 times, it will be 3 times 1/3, and x is equal to 1/15, that 5 multiplied here, 1/15. Okay.